Why do people snore? If you snore, you're not alone. It happens when air flows through your throat when you breathe in your sleep. This causes the relaxed tissues in your throat to vibrate and cause harsh, irritating snoring sounds. Remedies for snoring. Here are 15 remedies commonly used to treat snoring and its various causes. 1. Lose weight if you are overweight. This will help reduce the amount of tissue in the throat that might be causing your snoring. You can lose weight by reducing your overall caloric intake by eating smaller portions and more healthy foods. Make sure you get regular exercise daily. You may also consider seeing your doctor or a nutritionist for help. 2. Sleep on your side. Sleeping on your back sometimes causes the tongue to move to the back of the throat, which partly blocks airflow through your throat. Sleeping on your side may be all you need to do to allow air to flow easily and reduce or stop your snoring. 3. Raise up the head of your bed. Elevating the head of your bed by 4 inches may help reduce your snoring by keeping your airways open. 4. Use nasal strips or an external nasal dilator. Stick-on nasal strips can be placed on the bridge of the nose to help increase the space in the nasal passage. This can make your breathing more effective and reduce or eliminate your snoring. 5. Treat chronic allergies. Allergies can reduce airflow through your nose, which forces you to breathe through your mouth. This increases the likelihood that you'll snore. Talk to your doctor about what kind of over-the-counter or prescription allergy medications may improve your condition. 6. Correct structural problems in your nose. Some people are born with or experience an injury that gives them a deviated septum. This is the misalignment of the wall that separates both sides of the nose, which restricts airflow. It may cause mouth breathing during sleep, causing snoring. It may be necessary to get surgery to correct this condition. 7. Stop smoking. Smoking is an unhealthy habit that can worsen your snoring. 8. Get enough sleep. Make sure you get the recommended 7 to 8 hours of sleep you need each night. 9. Use an oral appliance. Dental mouthpieces called oral appliances can help keep your air passages open, making it easier for you to breathe. This prevents snoring. You need to see your dentist to get one of these devices made. 10. Wear palatal implants. Also called the pillar procedure, this treatment involves injecting braided strands of polyester filament into your mouth's soft palate. This stiffens it to reduce snoring. And if you like our videos, so please give like and share it with your friends and family, thanks. Your feedback is important to us and gives us your remarks in comments section. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon.